Programming your INFINITI QX56 key fob synchronizes it with the vehicle's body control module for remote functions. First, ensure compatibility. This works for QX56 models from 2004 to 2022, but not those with Nissan Intelligent Key. You'll need a working key fob with a fresh CR2032 battery, and you can program up to 4 fobs. For the programming sequence, insert the key into the ignition, but do not turn it on. Cycle the ignition from off to on and back to off within 5 seconds. Repeat this cycle 2 more times for a total of 3 cycles. Remove the key. The hazard lights will flash to indicate programming mode, lasting about 10 seconds. Press the lock and unlock buttons on the fob simultaneously. The lights will flash again to confirm. Repeat for additional fobs. Exit by starting the vehicle or waiting 60 seconds. If hazard lights don't flash, check the fob battery and BCM fuse. Incomplete cycles or electronics interference can cause failure. If you encounter issues while programming your QX56 key fob, start by verifying that your car is compatible with this method and ensure that all steps are followed precisely. Check the key fob battery, confirm the BCM fuse, and avoid proximity to other electronic devices during the process. If problems persist, consider consulting a certified INFINITI dealer. Looking ahead, key fob technology is trending towards greater digital integration. Newer vehicles, including successors to the QX56 like the QX80, increasingly feature smartphone apps for key pairing via NFC or Bluetooth. Cybersecurity enhancements, eco-friendly rechargeable fobs, and AI-driven diagnostics for predicting fob failures are also on the rise. While traditional physical fobs are expected to gradually phase out in favor of app-centric systems, hybrid options combining app and physical functionality will likely dominate in the near term.